Hello. So, heading towards the border, and it's stunning. The mountains out here are just lovely. Most you can't ride because of the Thai Malaysian granite. That's just great. Have a look at some of these. Watch this next bit. Started to climb, and this is pretty tough. God, he's out of practice or something. It's going to go up now. You see the mirror at the end. It gets steep. Trust in the Lord God. Gosh. Nearly at the border. See all these flags? All these Malaysian flags. Because people are proud to be Malaysian. I'm coming back to that one. Back into Thailand. There's a plan, but let's wait till the end of the day and get to the hotel. Monkeys.